everyone! Today we have another episode of Daniel Smith versus Roman Szmal! Okay, so we've got titanium white buff today, made with PW6:1, and I honestly didn't even know they had many shades of this color, or many hues, I don't know. But yeah, I'm sorry these aren't both the ivory looking color because I don't have that for a Roman Szmal. I wanted to buy it, but Jackson's was out of stock. And I waited for 2 months or something and it never came back in stock. So I was just like, okay, you know what? My basket is like almost full. I'm just gonna grab this one then. And I'm really happy about it, honestly. If you go back to watch my Daniel Smith first impressions video, I swatched the Daniel Smith version out and I was like, oh, this looks like ivory. I want to paint elephants with this. And then once I got this Roman Szmal one, I'm like, whoa, it's like the nice kind of gray for elephants. So I'm gonna paint elephants with these two sometime in the future. Hopefully I can do that. Enough of me talking. So for the comparisons, both of them granulate, but because they're light colors, you can't really see the granulation very well off of the paper. But in mixes, you could see the granulation showing through, but even so, it's not as apparent as, say, ultramarine or something. As for the Roman Szmal Aquarius gray, it's not a cool gray. It's definitely a very soft, warm gray, which I'm very into. I mean, I'm into cool grays as well, but this is absolutely beautiful. I haven't seen many people swatch this Aquarius gray, so I was wondering if any of you guys already have it and use them in paintings, or similar types of warm grays. I mean, other than elephants, what else can I use this to paint? I'm sure you could like mix it, do some stuff with it. Oh, smoky skies. Smoky skies. Yes. Epiphany. Okay, sorry. Well, that's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.